Conductors installed underground within polyvinyl chloride, or PVC, conduit must be rated for a wet location. Examples of such conductors are THWN and XHHW. This requirement exists because underground environments are typically damp or wet due to a few key factors. Firstly, moisture penetration. PVC conduit isn't entirely waterproof. Over time, moisture can seep into the conduit. Secondly, condensation. Temperature fluctuations between the inside and the outside of the conduit can lead to condensation forming inside it. Thirdly, flooding. Underground areas are susceptible to flooding during significant rainfall or other water-related events. Wet location-rated conductors are specifically designed to withstand moisture and resist corrosion. This ensures their reliability and safety in these challenging conditions. An exception to this rule exists. If the underground PVC conduit is meticulously sealed to prevent any moisture from entering, and if the installation location is genuinely dry, then damp location-rated conductors, like THWN, might be permissible. However, this practice is not common. It is essential to adhere to the wet location rating for underground PVC conduit installations to guarantee long-term performance and safety of the electrical system.